Guys, what is going on, and welcome to my reaction channel. All right, so if you guys are new here, welcome to my reaction channel where I react to a lot of different videos. All right, so you're here for a video, and this is the video right here that's gonna play. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. You guys are awesome. Thank you for joining. If you haven't subscribed, guys, go subscribe, go like, go comment, do what you gotta do, guys. You guys know the big goal is to reach 1 million subscribers one day, and I know you guys are gonna do that, and I know we're gonna reach there. All right, so enough of me talking, guys. I just want this to be like a brief introduction for all the new people. Welcome to my channel. I have a lot of reactions going up, so keep sending me all your things. I got you guys. Okay, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for everything, and let's get ready for the video. Thank you. Peace. Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another reaction video. Today I have for you HUA CHENYU, okay? And I think the subtitle's right there. So this is called The Dust in the Fireworks, okay? Official music video. So before we get started, guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing on the channel, guys. A lot of videos are going up. Okay, we just hit 2,000 subs. That's crazy. All right, let's shoot for 5,000, and then 1 million is the main goal. All right, so our family is growing more and more every day, and that is crazy, and it couldn't be possible without you guys. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and just get right in the video. Okay, so I have my headphones right here, and I hope you guys are doing well today. I have my water. All right, and the video's gonna go this way like always. You guys know HUA CHENYU is a huge blessing on this earth, and let's get started. The dust and the fireworks. And his voice, man, oh my God. What the hell? Hold on. If my neighbor was as cool as that, I would go over there and chill with her every day. That's a girl, right? Or was that a dude? Let me see. Yeah, it is a girl. Oh, she Jack Sparrow, Bruce Lee. Oh, wow. Wow. Jesus, his voice is so beautiful, man. Wow. Wow. Oh shit, okay. song is a beautiful song too. Guys, I'm sorry for that talking. I want to know what's going on. So he made a time machine, yeah. That's crazy. Wait. First of all, that is not a time machine. That's a teleporter. What? 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 How did her house catch on fire? What happened? Was she cooking and she fell asleep? What happened? What? Get it, run away, run away. Pedal, pedal, pedal. My shoes are all that for him. Oh, that's cute. Wow. The dusk and the firework. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. This was a beautiful song, though. I liked it. A lot of questions, but I liked it. Like, how did her house catch on fire? I thought that was a time machine, but it was a teleporter, which is still cool. But wow. But guys, this is it for this reaction video. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. I love watching you. Like, this was so beautiful, you know, and then his voice, the song, everything about it was good. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. We reached 2,000 subs and we passed it. All right, the next goal is 5,000 and eventually 1 million. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Be safe out there, this coronavirus. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All right, guys, welcome back. Okay, so this is the ending of the video. The video is done. You know, thank you guys so much for watching the video. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Okay, thank you so much for all the love and support. You know, there's always a goal to reach. There's always a goal to reach. Don't forget to always read the description down below, guys. I also have 3 other channels, guys. All right, 2 right now. Okay, the 3rd one is coming. All right, I have my car channel where I'm building my car, and I have my gaming channel. Okay, the description is down below. They're all in there. The link. Subscribe, guys. Thank you guys so much. Road to 1 million, and I know we can do it. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let's get those up. Road to 1 million. I know we could do it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.